Make a great choice today with the 2020 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.